Welcome back to Robinson's Auto Tools and Time.com. We're back today with this 2022 Ford F-150. It only has, what is it again, 13,000? 13,700 and some miles on it. And the customer says that he hears a squeaky noise in the front end. Turn the wheel back and forth. Customer concern confirmed. All right, so pretty much visual observation, trying to follow the sound. Definitely sounds like it's this side. Sounds like it's coming from that upper ball joint. It really sounds like it's coming from this ball joint here. It does have a Zerk fin, so that's some really old looking grease on it. Let's see if we can get some grease in there and if it makes a difference. Let's clean this real good before attempting to put any grease in there. Sorry guys, I don't have a very good... Man, I can't squeeze any grease in it. I think that Zerk is frozen. Let me take that Zerk out. 7mm. Let's take this bad boy out. Gosh, that looks bone dry. You guys might be able to see better than me. I don't think that thing has any grease in it whatsoever. Wonder if that Zerk, wonder if that fitting's been plugged from day one. And I never got any grease into this ball joint. Yeah, there's nothing. Oh, let me see if I can pump grease through this Zerk with it off. All right, so I just stuck the Zerk fitting in here. Let's see if we can pump it through. Nah, she's plugged up solid. We're gonna put it in there. We're documenting this, but I just want to make sure if I put grease into this ball joint that it quiets up. Then I can know for certain that noise was coming from this area. Snug that down. Put some fresh grease in there. Now it's coming in. Elijah, I don't want to pump the boot out. Move your ass a minute. Let's watch that boot. Let me know when I'm full. All right, looks like that boot's finally starting to pump up a little bit. So we'll leave it there. But you seen it, guys. That thing was totally dry. And that Zerk fitting was, doesn't look like it ever had grease inside of it. I mean, I'll give you another close look. Before I could just turn the wheel a little bit and you'd hear it. Well, now it has grease in it. Let's see if we can get grease on the other side, out of curiosity. Oh yeah, it goes right in there. This one I believe had grease in it because after a few pumps, I was able to get some out of the boot. All right, now that we have grease in the upper ball joints, that's all we did. Can you take and shake the wheel again? Try to make it recreate that noise. You see, no longer making that noise. Turn the wheel all the way to one side. All right, the boot's on all the way around, pumped up nice. All right, turn it straight. Check the other side. This side I know had some grease in it at least. Turn the wheel all the way to the left. As soon as I started pumping it in, I had a little bit of grease come out up high. Turn it to the right. There's no hole in the boot or anything. Looks good. Well, it's no longer making that noise, and that's all we did. So how about it, guys? A Ford with less than 14,000 miles on it, and an upper ball joint that was squeaking. Well, lower ball joint isn't greasable, and the other's the tie rod. It's just those upper ball joints. Makes me wonder if they missed it. Same thing on this side. I don't see any other grease fittings. Well, we confirmed the customer's suspicions. There definitely was noise coming from the suspension on this. It was the upper ball joint on the passenger side front. It surely didn't look like there was any grease in there to me. Looking at the Zerk fitting, I'll look at it one more time. I'll give you guys a shot, but it doesn't look like there was ever any grease inside that Zerk. I'll let you guys be the judge. I'll let him decide whether he wants to just take a chance and hopefully everything's okay, no longer makes the noise, or if he wants to take it back to Ford, show him what we found and how we isolated the noise, see if they want to replace that ball joint or not. My guesses are probably not. They'll probably say that, oh, it would have been serviced on the first service, but why wasn't it serviced? Who knows? I don't know all the details behind it, but let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.